Hey everybody, this is Jason from Blue Weather. If you like weather-related information, please like and subscribe below. All right, guys, what we're looking at is some possible light to moderate snow on Tuesday. What you see in front of you here is the GSF American model. You see at 7 o'clock Tuesday morning, you see it moving into the mid-Atlantic. This is where it's shown at 1 o'clock. And this is 7 o'clock that evening. Now, don't take these locations to heart exactly right now. Each model has a little bit of difference, and obviously, um, you can't take that in total effect right now. We're still roughly a couple days out, so still going to be some fine tuning on the models as we get closer, as we can start using some more short range data. This here is the Canadian model. You see also at 7 o'clock coming up into West Virginia and far southwest western side of Virginia. Um, can't completely eliminate maybe some ice out there, but it looks like to me it'll either be rain or snow. I'm not really looking for it to really mix. Uh, this is 1 o'clock and 7 o'clock on the Canadian model. Now you look at the German Icon model. This is 7 o'clock, same thing. You see the northern edge, it's colder up through there. Starts in snowing as you get up through the I-77 corridor. And here's 1 o'clock, and see, you can see the difference. The reason why the German Icon model is not as widespread as snow, it 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 doesn't work the same way as these other models. It does like a true snow, uh, sort of like the best areas for snow. So I guess if you was looking at a true, then like its general area here would probably have the best chance of seeing some snow. Then as you can tell, it don't even show snow as it moves out. That's why you can't take. You literally have to dissect each one of these models and have knowledge of the area and history of what these models' trends are, and that all comes with experience. Now, as we look at see the NAM here, 7 o'clock, it's way further south. So I don't think that's right when you look at the other models there. I think at 7 o'clock it'll be further north than what the NAM is showing here. But as you can tell, it kind of gets up to speed by 1 o'clock, a little bit further north. And then as it exits, it's 7 o'clock. Now, what we're kind of looking at, this snow should be, it's been showing up as anywhere from like a 1 to 4 inch snow, depending on where you're at. Now, where it can get higher than that, 4 inches or more, uh, and before I get into that, this is the actual regime model, and it also shows 7 o'clock coming up into the two Virginias and Kentucky. So that's why I said probably want to ignore the NAM for right now. I think the timing will all hone out as we get closer. And like I said, a 1 to 4 inch area of snow for most, but if you're in these counties right here is what I call the red zone counties. Northern Fayette, northwest Greenbrier, southeast Nicholas, northwest Pocahontas, southeast Webster, western Randolph, eastern Upshur in West Virginia. Those areas there are higher elevation and what we refer as to the heart of the snow belt that runs through West Virginia. That area there, it's not impossible that you could see 4 to 8. But for right now, we're going to say 4 plus in those areas. And then as you go down the elevation, get down below 3,000 feet, on down to about 2,000, 2,200 feet, that's where you see your differences between 1 and 4 inches of snow. For example, like Lewisburg, it's been showing maybe around 3 inches. But the models are going to change a little bit between now and Tuesday. So there's going to be some differences. So if you're in Lewisburg, just don't automatically assume that we're going to get 2 to 3 inches of snow. There's going to be some changes on these models. It could lessen or greaten. But nevertheless, we're looking at a light to moderate snow to come up through the area here. And I just wanted to give you an update on it. And I'll continue to give you updates. So your Tuesday, could be a lot of school cancellations, and obviously some, depending on what time you go to work, you may want to leave work a little early, or maybe you already go in early. You can beat the snow. Uh, I would say by evening, the Division of Highways would probably have the roads pretty decent by then, unless you're in the really high terrain where they get more snow.